bina omo awie adwuma omo ewure mu se wonom ebeye. As we speak, Asante Kotoko assigning is it 5 players, 5, right? Yes, 3 strikers, 1 goalkeeper, and Akotoko afa Abrantia no oye left back, and I said oye right back. Yeah, and pay yet on some Ajuja a day amount. It's Asante Kotoko. Get here, and they say one more done with one more a transfer business, no aka confirmation. Now aka 2 possible positions are Asante Kotoko ever strengthen 2 possible positions. Now there's an eminent signing, meaning baby a VJ, you know, my confirm, and I say, on my confirm after the VJ. Now get 1.7 a day amount. Kaisa Kotoko afa strikers miensa. Kwabe Poku Baye, a branch of the team, a day Samson Tuku, and Isaac Minta. Then Kotwafa goalkeeper Bako. One a goalkeeper, the team at the Benjamin Chum, National 20 goalkeeper, and a Kotko Afa right backer, the team and so a Ajete, yes, Adrian, Ajete, Kotko Afano. It's so far, you can say, in a general transfer window, Asante Kotko, Afa 5 players. It could be 6, it could be 7. And Mame Mfanto just say the next player Asante Kotoko eba be signing on. The next player Asante Kotoko eba be signing on. And I say Omubabe unveiling on Mame Kadesamu because per my intel he has already signed. Apparently signing Eddie Makotoko Dada. It we unveiling and ebe Basukotoko ebe panon to man. Eddie Chigas in say we a player. And apparently no it in Asante, yes, it's got next player or Fanano, a player, it in Asante. Now, Asante, no, Gemati, and it's a Prantino, were passing the medicals, were the pictures now got to each other, were training in every 18, Tiakan is Asante Kotoko, at the official announcement, Eba Betuja, next after Daniel, Adrian, Ajiti, the Latra, Asante Kotoko Esafa, another Latra. Now, apparently, a Kusi Asante, a player, Asante Kotoko Efan Nest, and also Wafan, Amuba and Panwantuma, Sekoto Sadibako Kamwa. Don't be surprised, but what I know, I have confirmed, and I'm taking Emma. Now, apparently, did Kusi Asante, one wapo Eddie Ama Simba of Tanzania. Kusi Asante wapo Eddie Ama clubs. Aka mema one ni profile CCA ewo video wemu. But the new player Kotoko Efano a boy editing Eddie Kusi Asante. Yes, so far I know any dear. Yes, Ikura. Now Enra Ewa Asante Kotoko Secretariat. Mateze Kusi Asante Eko ye the medicals. Yeah, I know say ye. Nazaka Branteno. We are joining Asante Kotoko. Opo multiple rules. Video no baako emsa me catch order da. Asante Kotoko. Sisi players omo form no. Omo for players a omo betumi put different rules, multiple rules. Eno omo pe. E wo general transfer window sa e na wo ye. Enti abrante de din e de Kusi Asante no. We meet the mark. Kotoko epe. And as we speak, he has signed. It should be a 2.5-year contract. 2.5-year contract for Asante Kotoko. Compare the intel that I have. Yansha branch ni profile. In terms of clubs, the tell us a branch no. The last club at boy no. A club at Kitayos FC. Kitayos FC June 29th. 2022 and was signing at the mountain. Before that, no room, our Hafia Club of Kenya. Hafia Club of Kenya, October 14th, 2019, no signing at the amount. Apparently, did Kusi Asante. Wapo at the Ama Simba S. December 13th, 2017, or signing at the Masimba. And so, and I think class B at the Emsa Tanzania or the Watawa Chakra. Edurum Tanzania, Lipuli FC, and also 2017, and also signed at the Maumo. Mpoa FC, MB, Mpau, there be a Mpau, or signing my Mpau in 2016, Mpau FC, and also our Tanzania. Then Pani Swallow, and so I club a branch at the Amope in 2015, and what about Ediama Mancini Wondress. It's a Camisa Pranchi, and say or tie a sign at the Emma clubs on a short deal. Now, youth to football or Bobby or Ghana, Horribins S. Elkana 2010-2011. And of Ethiopia, Kobo Edema, Sepeta Kenaman of Ethiopia 2011-2012. It will add the profiler, Yenim, and as a class a branch and apple, a branch and a Eddie Kwesi Asante, the class of apple, and a Mabosu Eddie Abon. Now, what type of a player? The position of Bopana A. And so